Hi, my name is Allan Okrainec. I'm the director of the Minimally Invasive and Bariatric Surgery Fellowship program here at the University of Toronto. It's my pleasure to invite you to our third annual update in minimally invasive surgery here at the University of Toronto. This year's course is going to be held at the Toronto Marriott on Bloor. This is a new venue this year that we're very excited about. It's allowing us to continue to expand the course and will allow us to have excellent interactions between the course participants and our industry sponsors. We're very excited about this year's program. There are going to be 4 themes to the course. Just to touch on some of these themes briefly, the first session on hernias is going to feature very practical tips and tricks around laparoscopic inguinal and ventral hernias, as well as more complex and challenging abdomens and more complex procedures such as endoscopic component separation. The second session on cancer is going to feature presentations on laparoscopic colorectal and gastric surgery, as well as presentations on rare and interesting malignancies and how to manage these laparoscopically. Our third session is going to be on the laparoscopic management of abdominal emergencies and complications, something that as general surgeons we all have to manage. And there are going to be presentations on challenging gallbladders and taking some of these patients back to the operating room and difficult appendectomies, as well as other post-operative complications we deal with. And lastly, the fourth session is going to be called Laparoscopy 101. This is going to really take us back to basics and present on some very practical laparoscopic technical points, such as safe access to the abdomen, some very basic tips and tricks for laparoscopic suturing, and so on. We are thrilled this year to invite Dr. Leanne Feldman as our invited speaker from McGill University. She's going to be presenting to us on something that surgeons may not know as much about as they should, and that's the safe use of energy while we're operating. Finally, this year we're going to be incorporating a skills lab once again on November 23rd, based on the success from last year's skills lab. This is going to be held at the Surgical Skills Centre at Mount Sinai Hospital. All in all, I truly believe this is going to be our best course ever. It's going to be very interactive, have a lot of videos, and some practical tips and tricks related to laparoscopy. So again, I'd like to extend this invitation on November 22nd and 23rd, and I hope to see you there. Thank you.